Hello, good evening everyone. This is Srinu Mukherjee. I am basically BTech in Electrical Engineer with post-graduate diploma from National Power Training Institute, one of the finest power training institute in India. My native place is Ranchi, Jharkhand. My mother tongue is Bengali. And currently I am working as an assessor and proctor and a technical auditor with National Skill Development Council of India as a freelancer. Under National Council of Vocational Training, I am a certified assessor. As well as in the past, I worked with organizations such as Power Grid Corporation of India Limited. I used to work as a shift engineer control room up to 765 kV, which is the highest voltage level in India. So this is my short bio and introduction. So today my demo topic is about the materials. Basically, we know that materials are categorized into two categories mainly in this universe and our surroundings, that are metals and non-metals. Everything that is made up in this universe or surroundings has some metals and non-metals part in this. So metals are basically hard, ductile, malleable, soundrous, lustrous. So these are some of the basic physical properties of metal. So we will try to learn one by one what these things means. First of all, metal is hard means metal is very hard so that it cannot be broken easily, but it can be transformed. Second, metal is a ductile means it can be drawn into wires. That's why for evacuation of electricity from one point to other point we are using metal, which can act as a conductor. Third, metals are malleable. Malleable that they can be beaten into sheets into any form which we want. Third, they are sonorous. That they are such a hard material so that if we hit the metal, what happened? A sound will reflect back. So, moreover, they are lustrous. Means whenever a light is incident on a metal surface, they are so shiny that it reflects back the incident light. So these are some of the physical properties of metals. Now we will come into the uses of metals. So metals are basically used comes into uses in building material industries, in heavy industries such as automobile or any kind of steel industries also, and other parts and various walks of life. So these are the basically some of the properties of metals. So we will like to now discuss about non-metals. So non-metals are basically those metal which does not possess the property of a metal. So that is vice versa of a metal. So not non-metal are basically brittle, that they can be easily broken. They are soft and can be broken into a powdered form. So being a non-metal, so some of the examples of non-metal are phosphorus, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen. As we know, oxygen is a non-metal that every human being and every living creature in this world required. We can't live without oxygen. As well as nitrogen and phosphorus are also used as a fertilizer, or such as insecticide and pesticides also. Uh, Now chlorine is one of the very essential non-metals which is used as a bleaching, means as a disinfectant. So diamond is an exception of a non-metal. It is the hardest non-metal so that it cannot be broken easily. So now we come into some of the facts of metals and non-metals. That now gold is a metal that can be structured or get into a form of other that can be used as a jewelry or ornaments. So these are some of the basic things that we should keep in our mind, that which basically divides these two material categories in a very brief way, which is metal and a non-metal. So the use of metals and non-metals are basically, we have talked about the use of metals and non-metals. They are mainly used in building industries, as we earlier already talked. So they are used in agriculture sectors, even carbon brushes. Moreover, carbon brushes is being a non-metal. Carbon is also a soft non-metal, but it is exception that it is used in an electrical motors such as DC motor and DC motors basically to collect the current. These are the basic difference between metals and non-metals. So thank you so much. I hope this is my short demo on this metals and my introduction. I love to work with BYJU'S and I will give my 100%. Let's see. Thank you so much. Have a good day.